Hey, welcome back to J-Made Creative. I'm Julian and this is my studio. And on this video, we're going to finish the 3D printed Green Goblin mask from do3d.com. In the past, I've wanted to do this project, but I didn't know how to do the lenses and I didn't want to just leave the mask as is, although it does look cool. I wanted to do the yellow eyes. You know, the thing Aunt May is so afraid of and remembers in the hospital room. So, with the advent of resin printing, we're here. So with the lenses, I printed it out of clear resin. I think it was any cubic resin. And you have to remove all these supports and wet sand, dry sand. I think I started with dry sanding 300 to get all the support nubs off. And then I wet sanded it all the way up to, I believe, 3000 grit. And then clear coated it. Now I have what looks like glass. But I need yellow. So this is what I did. Krylon makes a really nice stained glass paint. It's for translucent and transparent surfaces. This stuff is awesome if you're making lenses that are not flat. So if you can't use flat acrylic, use that stuff. It's really great. So this plus that equals these. All right, there's the lenses for Green Goblin. And I think this is 3 coats on either side. It's the exact type of yellow I want on these. So we're going to install these into here first, then we'll paint the teeth, and then we'll be done.